Hello. Today I'm going to be shooting a AMT Automag II. It's a 22 rimfire Magnum. This particular one has a 4.5-inch barrel, and it's stainless steel. It's made in Irwindale, California by AMT, and it's of the Automag family. It's a single action pistol. The slide is scalloped or cut out. I guess that reduces slide weight. It has the target sights on it, and it has they call a heel release on the magazine. I'll be shooting it. Let's see how it does. Hello, I'm going to be shooting my Automag II. It's a 22 rimfire Magnum, and I'll be shooting CCI Maxi Mags 22 rimfire Magnum hollow points. I just shot it a few minutes ago, and I determined that it shoots a little to the left. So, a little aiming to the left should do. It shoots to the right of me, so I have to aim a little bit to the left. And that's my 22 Automag II. Thank you.